Bundeena! Hey guys, so this is Bundeena at the National Park in New South Wales, Australia. We're going to go down here near the wharf. We're going to have a little cruise and we'll probably go for a little swim. Yeah, so we're supposed to go to Watermulla, but it was bloody packed, so we ended up coming to Bundeena instead. Hey Lachlan, show YouTube that rough head of yours. So this is Bundeena. You come out from the west and it's so hot, and then you get here and you get the sea breeze and it's kind of cool already. You're like, yeah, let's go in the water, and then you get in and it's like, oh, it's not quite as warm, but we got to go in. We made it this far, right? So everybody from New South Wales pretty much knows Bundeena or Watermulla, the national park, but to all the people overseas watching, look, you pretty much get sandstone rocks everywhere. You get sandstone rocks and then you get the beaches. Over there we've got a wharf, which we're going to jump off soon. See, this is all the patterns you get from the sandstone. Australia is where it's at, brother. Alright, so we're just going to go for a little snorkel down here. Look, it's a Sasquatch. Yeah, Shada. No. As you know, Rob Dog Vlogs, Lachlan. we get the drone on. Let's go.
Three, two, one.
Get him on. Oh, we're going for a little walk, eh? So me and my bro, we did some backflips off the rock. We had a little snorkel. Let's see what's up this way. Bundeena Heritage Walk. Hey brother.
What are you shooting?
Oh, just recording random shit for my YouTube page.
Oh yeah.
Nice one, bro.
What's your team? What's your page?
Rob Dog's Vlogs.
Rob Dog's Vlogs.
Rob Dog's Vlogs.
We'll have a look at it.
Yeah, a bit of fishing, a bit of travelling around the world. Have a look.
Yeah, nice.
Have a good one, bro. Just hanging on by a thread. Ah! Australian Tarzan. Just going for a little walkies. I remember coming here years ago and there was like a little mad stone chair. I just want to see if it's still here. We'll head up to the chair where the camping spot was, where I camped maybe 8 years ago. Here's that beautiful stone chair I was talking about. It's been a while since I've been here. Maybe 8 years ago, I camped right here with my mate. Look at the beautiful view right here. This is where we were snorkeling under the wharf not long ago. And yeah, I came here about 8 years ago and there was all these beautiful birds here and we're just hand feeding them. We're giving them like bread and honey and they're just coming right up to our hands and we're hand feeding them. It's pretty cool. So it was just a small little video today. I went out with my dad and my little brother and his girlfriend. We had a snorkel, a little swim and a little walk. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one.